Welcome again, my dear students. In last video, I was discussed about meaning and feature of partnership. In this video, we are going to discuss about registration of partnership and consequences of non-registration of partnership. Okay, so let's start with registration of partnership firm. Okay, registration of partnership firm is not compulsory under law. The Partnership Act 1932 provides that if partners so desire, they may register the firm. Of the registrar of the firm, the state in which the main office firm is situated, a firm may be registered at a time or its formation or at any time thereafter. So, partnership legally not compulsory registration. This is totally depend upon willingness of the partners. So, if partner want to register your firm, then they may register the firm with the registrar of the firm of the state in which the main office of the firm is situated, and it is not compulsory that firm registration is on the formation of partnership. Partner take registration any time after formation of partnership. Okay, now procedure of partner registration. So in order to get partnership firm registered, an application in the prescribed form must be filed with the registrar of the firm. The application should be contain the following information. So registration of the partnership is very simple. Simply application form file with the registrar of firm. Mention in the form application form name of the firm, principal place of the business where business is situated, and name of the other places where firm's business is carried on, and the name in full permanent address of all partners, and the date on which partner join, and duration if any. Duration if any means अगर कोई ड्यूरेशन है, अदरवाइज अगर कंटिन्यूइंग है देन ड्यूरेशन नहीं मेंशन होगी. अगर पार्टनरशिप सपोज किसी टाइम पीरियड के लिए अगर बन रही है देन उसके लिए मेंशन करना होगा. ओके, द एप्लीकेशन शुड बी साइंड एंड वेरीफाइड बाय ईच पार्टनर and then the submitted to the registrar of the firm of the area in which principal place of the business is situated. Okay, the application submitted to the registrar is examined by the registrar. Everything is in order and legal formalities have been observed. The registrar shall make an entry in the register of the firm, and he will also issue a certificate of registration. Okay, now consequences of non registration. क्या consequences होंगे जब फर्म का रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं होगा? अनरजिस्टर्ड फर्म के क्या consequences होंगे? ओके, तो फर्स्ट वन इज it cannot enforce its claim against a third party in a court of law. मीन्स सपोज कल जाके किसी आउटसाइडर के साथ कोई डिस्प्यूट हो गया, then you are not go to court for his justice because you are not authorized person, because your firm not registered. Only registered firm can go to the court for his justice. Okay, secondly, it cannot claim a judgment for any sum exceeding rupees 100. Suppose an unregistered firm owes to A and A owes 1000 to the firm. The firm cannot enforce the adjustment rupees 1000 in a court of law. Okay, सपोज हाँ ये एग्जांपल लेसन, मिस्टर ए को पेमेंट करने हैं फर्म को ₹1000 और फर्म को पे करना है मिस्टर ए को 1200. ओके, then firm want to cancellation rupees 1000 and only 200 want to pay Mr. A, but it cannot do this cancellation because unregistered firm cannot set off any sum exceeding rupees 100. till 100 कर सकता है cancellation, ठीक, बट एक्सीडिंग द 100 नॉट कैंसिलेशन, नॉट कर सकता है, नहीं कर सकता है. ओके, सो उसको कैंसिल 1000 जो एडजस्टमेंट करना चाहता है, एडजस्टमेंट मीन्स कैंसिलेशन, सेट ऑफ नहीं कर सकता. ओके, नेक्स्ट, इट कैन नॉट फाइल अ लीगल सेट अगेंस्ट एनी ऑफ इट्स पार्टनर, मीन्स फर्म कैन नॉट फाइल अ लीगल सेट अगेन ऑफ इट्स पार्टनर. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज partner of an unregistered fund cannot file any suit to enforce a right against the fund. like firm, जैसे firm नहीं कर सकती partners के against legal file suit, same partners cannot file a legal suit against again a firm. okay, now next, a partner of an unregistered fund cannot file suit against other partner. पार्टनर्स आपस में भी सपोज कल जाके पार्टनर्स के बीच में कोई डिस्प्यूट होता है, देन पार्टनर नेवर फाइल लीगल सूट अगेन ऑफ इट्स ऑफ अदर पार्टनर अगेंस्ट ऑफ एन अदर पार्टनर. ओके, नाउ नॉन रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ फर्म हाउएवर डज नॉट अफेक्ट द फॉलोइंग राइट्स, एंड इवन योर फर्म इन नॉट रजिस्टर्ड, बट दीज राइट्स कंपनी के जो फर्म के जो राइट्स होंगे तब भी अफेक्टेड होंगे, इन पर ये अफेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. ओके, ये राइट्स जैसे हैं वैसे रहेंगे, ये राइट्स बने रहेंगे. ओके, वन इज द राइट ऑफ द पार्टनर टू सू फॉर द डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ द फर्म और फॉर द अकाउंट ऑफ अ डिसॉल्व्ड फर्म और टू इन्फोर्स एनी राइट or power to realize the property of the dissolved firm. okay, okay, right of partners to sue for dissolution of firm. okay, you want to apply for dissolution, yes you can do. and account settlement, if some settlement of account are pending, then he may file a sue for settlement of his of account and realization of dissolved firm's property. if firm are being dissolved but partner not willing to sell of the property, then he may file a case. okay, now next one is the power of official assignee or receiver to realize the property of an insolvent partner. here official assignee means, my dear students, is a person appointed by a court to realize asset of a firm and pay off its debt. okay, some matter sometimes of the dissolution court पहुंच जाता है, then those cases court appoint a person, that person is known as official assignee or the receiver of court. that person he will be entitled to sale of the asset of the firm, and whatever realized in cash he paid off debt of the firm. okay, now next one is the right of the firm or its partner having no place of business in India. राइट्स पार्टनर्स की रहेंगे बेटा, बिजनेस इंडिया में रहे या ना रहे, कोई भी बिजनेस प्लेस इंडिया विद इन इंडिया हो या ना हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज एनी suit or set off in which the claim does not exceed rupees 100. already discussed this point beta. next one is the right of a third party to sue for unregistered firm or its partner, means third party जो है लीगल सूट फाइल कर सकती है. ओके, नाउ लास्ट वन इज द राइट टू sue a third party for infringement of a patent right. in here infringement means violation या breach आप बोल सकते हो. ओके। सो अगर कोई ब्रीच होता है पेटेंट का या राइट्स का, देन क्या होगा, देन थर्ड पार्टी लीगल सुइट फाइल कर सकती है। ओके।